How to enable install unknown apps on Samsung Z Fold 7. By default, disable all the third-party application or install the unknown sources or unknown apps on your Samsung device. To enable it for a specific category, open the app drawer, hit the settings app, scroll down up to the security and privacy. Okay, scroll down, tap on more security settings. Here you can find the option install unknown apps. Tap on it. Now here you can see by default your phone can only install apps from the approved source such as the Play Store or a Galaxy Store. So that will helpful to protect your from malicious application and malware from your device. To install the apps from the other source and may put your phone in the risk. Also sometimes lose the data on your device. So if you want to install apps from the other source, you need to allow these types of category depend on the application you download on your install on your device. So when you install any third party application like otherwise if you want don't install this application you must enable this category if you find or download the Chrome related application on your device or any Galaxy Store related application. Make sure to toggle on this option to enable the install unknown app or install the unknown source from the third party application on your device. You just toggle on the option to allow unknown apps on your Samsung Z Fold 7. That's it. If you like it, share it.